Okay guys, we are on our way to Second River. Tatum will join us later. So yeah. Here we are at the Tana Nobi. There's chases happening out here. Tana Nobi jig. You can get them at Wild Coast Kayaks in Crossways. So yeah. Really good price on these. First cast. Oh, there's a knock. It's got a decent fish there. Maybe they're going off the slow retrieve. Oh, there. Another knock. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's a knock. That was a nice knock. That's why I like this. Yeah, I'm gonna take probably a half an hour break. It's way too windy here. Crazy windy here. So yeah, let's go. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be using one of these Sure Strike. I don't know what they are, Trichimino or something. Nice colour. It's really a bait fish colour. I had another one for dirtier water. This water is super clean. So yeah, the rainstorm's done. It doesn't pour while I'm here. That's a nice colour. Oh. Have a look. Okay, bucktail. Let's see if the bucktail works. Just gotta try everything. Lots of activity here. Putting the little minnow on again. Let's see. Okay, I'm on my way. Put my stuff down there. I'm going for a river bream. So yeah. See this little tree here? I'm sure there's something by it. So this beautiful spot there. Banks, quite deep here. It's probably like 3 meters deep right here. This is, I can see my line angle. It's quite deep here actually. You know what snags are here though. Hey, see a nice spot for a snapper here. The channel's right here. Oh, this looks like a flying yellowtail. Oh, that's a nice grunter. 6 kilo line. Oh, come on. On the shore strike. Don't know what that is. Have a bream here. Or stream. There's a better spot to get there. Oh, there is a little bit of a better spot here. It's a tiny little tribute. The biggest snapper like a bream one. I'm not going to try anymore, I don't want to lose my ears. Okay, this might be the river. If we catch it. Just go to sleep. It's quite deep and there's lots of structures. River snapper should be there. Okay, back at the spot where I got the grunting, I'll try something else. Probably use around. Maybe get a snapper. While the sun's shining to reflect off the lure. Ooh, one. There we go. Oh, it's one of these guys again. Oh, I guess I got something else. Tatum's just throwing plugs down there. I don't know what he's getting, but yeah. See, my phone's going flat. Throwing a little plug, yeah.
What's up, guys? Yeah, day 2 of our second river fishing. Yeah, I wasn't here yesterday. It was all tired. You got a nice grunter, and we're gonna go fishing today and see what happens. Tide's on.
Here we go.
Decent fish.
Ooh, yeah.
It was a leerie. I thought that felt like leerie bites. It's first leerie. Oh, it's a nice size leerie. I'll land him, yeah. It's alright. Don't pull a gooby dam. There we go. Hmm?
Yeah, I caught this leerie on a sure strike. Poor white diver, I don't know what that is.
Beautiful. Tide's on again, same spot. Big fish.
Must be a big leerie. Wow.
Well, looked it.
Yeah.
Shout the tree. Oh, you got him on the side, how? Replica of the other one.
Nice. Second one here. Beauty. On the sure strike. White thing, I don't know what that is. Yeah.